Today we will discuss about number system. In Malayalam, we can say Sankhya Sambradayam. In our daily life, we use decimal number system. And in the case of computer, we use binary number system. Decimal number system is also known as Dashamsha Sankhya Sambradayam.
Here we use total 10 digits for this number system, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And in binary number system, we use 2 digits, 0 and 1. It is used in our computer. We have discussed this early. And the third number system is octal number system. Here we use 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7 digits. And fourth one is hexadecimal number system. In this number system we use 16 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9 and then A, B, C, D, E, F.
We will discuss the number systems in detail. First one, decimal number system. Here we use 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. And after 9, we will count 10. It is a combination of 0 and 1. Okay. Now 11, 1, 1. Then 1 and 2, 12, 13, like that. In this number system, we use total 10 digits. So, the total number of digits used is 10 and the base of the number system is 10. Decimal number system is a number system that we use in our daily life. Here we use total 10 digits, that is number of digits used is 10. It is also known as Dashamsha Sankhya Sambradayam, and the decimal means 10. So decimal number system is the number system that we used in our daily life. Okay. So digits are 0 to 9, number of digits 10, base 10. Next, we will discuss about the binary number system. We know that a binary number system is the number system of computer, and binary means 2, and we use 0 and 1 as the digits here. Here we use 0 and 1, only 0 and 1. And if you want to count 1 as 1, then 1 0 for 2, 1 1 for 3, 1 0 0 for 4, and 1 0 1, 1 0 1 1 0, 1 1 1. Just see that there are 7. It is 7, and this is 2, 3, 4, 1 0 1 is 5, 1 1 0 is 6, and 1 1 1 is 7. So here the number of digits used is 2, and therefore the base of the binary number system is 2. Number of digits used is 2 and hence base is 2. We use the binary number system in computers and its base is 2. The language using binary number system is known as machine language. Okay, now what is bit? We can see that it is binary digit. The expansion of bit is binary digit, and 0 and 1 are known as bits. 0 and 1 are known as bits. The expansion is binary digit. Now we will discuss about the octal number system. Octa means 8. Octal number system use 8 digits from 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 8 digits. There is no 8. For 8, we will use the combination of 1 and 0. Okay, for 8, we will write 1, 0. Here, total number of digits used is 8 and hence the base is 8. So, the octal number system uses 8 digits and the base is 8. It is very useful in this. Okay, we will just start counting using octal number system. Up to 7 we will count 1, 2, 3 up to 7. Then after that for 8 we will count 1, 0. Then for 9 we will count 1, 1. Then 1, 2, 4, 10. After that 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, then 1, 6, 1, 7. Okay, then can we write 1, 8? No, because 8 is not there in this octal number system. So we will write the combination of 2 and 0. Okay, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7. After 2, 7, we will find 3 and 0. We will write 3 and 0. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, up to 3, 7. Then we will write 4, 0. 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. Like that we will count. Okay. Next number system is hexadecimal number system. In this number system, we use total 16 digits. Hex means 6 and decimal means 10. So 10 plus 6 is 16. So here we use total 16 digits. For hex 6 and decimal 10. Total 16 digits. Okay. The digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then for 10 we will use A. Then for 11 we use B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E and 15 F. So 0 to 9 total 10 digits. Then A, B, C, D, E, F 6 digits. Total 16. So number of digits used is 16 and the base is 16. Now we will revise. For decimal number system, base is 10. For binary number system, base is 2. For octal number system, base is 8. And hexadecimal number system, base is 16.